Welcome to this short video on how to measure grass cover. We will outline two different methods, using an electronic plate meter, alternatively using a sward stick. Both methods assess the compressed height to give the grass cover in kilos of dry matter per hectare. The optimum point to graze ryegrass is at the 2.5 to 3 leaf stage, equating to a grass cover of between 2,600 and 3,000 kilos of dry matter per hectare. Regularly measuring grass cover underpins successful grass management, ensuring optimum utilisation. Taking the measurements using the plate meter. Different plate meter models are available. Some require the operator to manually calculate the grass cover, other digital versions perform the calculation automatically. After turning on this particular electronic plate meter, you will hear a beep and see two numbers flash across the screen. These indicate the plus and multiplier values the unit is using to calculate the grass cover. Grass cover of dry matter per hectare is calculated as the average rising plate meter units in 0.5 cm increments times 125 plus 640. This is the typical equation used in the UK and can be adjusted if required. Check that the plate meter is correctly calibrated with a 0 base level. For adjustment, refer to the manufacturer's manual. Check no debris has collected around the base of the plate meter. Walking at a slow pace, place the plate meter vertically on the ground, taking care not to roll it. The unit should be lowered consistently to the ground, not forced. Readings should be at approximately 3 pace intervals and must be representative of the grazing area. It is recommended to take 20 to 40 readings per paddock. Avoid any trackways, gateways or other uncharacteristic areas. This unit will give 3 short beeps at the 29th reading and 1 long one on the 30th. Ideally, the paddock should be walked in a W pattern. However, time and practicalities need to be considered, and a diagonal route between paddocks may be used. Plan and walk the same route each time to enable comparative results. On completing the readings in the paddock, the average cover reading will be displayed on the unit screen. This should be recorded before moving on to the next area to be grazed. This paddock has a current cover of 2,802 kilograms of dry matter per hectare. If this was grazed to a residual of 1,500, it would mean that there are 1,302 kilograms of dry matter per hectare available to be grazed. An alternative method of assessing grass cover is using a sward stick. This is marked in 1 cm intervals between 1 and 15 cm and has different calibrations depending on the season. Select the most appropriate scale for the season. Place the sword stick into the grass and place the clipboard onto the pasture against the sword stick, apply light pressure to the clipboard and record the grass cover. Repeat the process across the area as described previously to give a representative sample, and then average the readings to calculate the kilograms of dry matter per hectare available.